Nestled in the heart of Melbourne, Australia, lies a contemporary masterpiece, Project 350 North Caulfield Residence. Completed in 2018 by Mckimm, this award-winning architectural gem isn't just a house, it's a testament to modern design and family living. The residence's clean lines and symmetrical design exude a sense of calm sophistication. But step closer, and you'll be greeted by an unexpected warmth. Natural light floods through the expansive windows, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. We spoke with the architect behind this visionary project. Let's hear what they have to say about Project 350. The focus on natural light is evident throughout the home. It creates a sense of openness and allows the family to connect with the natural world around them. But Project 350 isn't just about aesthetics. It's a home designed with a family in mind. The clients envisioned a space that would feel like a personal resort, a place to celebrate life's milestones and create lasting memories. The architect cleverly incorporated the family's desire for a durable and adaptable home. High-quality materials ensure the house can withstand the wear and tear of an active family, while flexible zones allow for different activities and age groups. The family's passion for art is beautifully woven into the design. Spaces throughout the home were specifically created to showcase their modern art collection, adding a touch of personality and fostering creativity. Look up! A dramatic sculptural pendant takes center stage in the entrance hall. It not only creates a striking visual statement, but also offers a glimpse into the home's vibrant interior from the street. Stepping inside, we're greeted by a rich interplay of materials. Concrete, timber, and recycled brick come together in perfect harmony. This not only adds visual interest but also reflects the client's preference for natural materials and a muted color palette. Sustainability was also a key consideration. The use of recycled materials and the focus on natural light contribute to the home's eco-friendly design. UT functionality is equally important. Every design element in Project 350 encourages interaction between family members. Open spaces promote togetherness, while designated zones allow for individual activities and work. The clever use of space ensures practicality without compromising on the home's minimalist and refined aesthetic. Imagine waking up to the gentle Melbourne sun filtering through the windows. Picture evenings spent curled up with loved ones, enjoying a movie under the soft glow of strategically placed lights. Project 350 isn't just a house, it's a canvas for creating a lifetime of memories.